Hi Kanchi.
These are for you.
Wow, I am gonna give one back to you.
Thank you. But आपको पता है सनफ्लावर्स हमेशा पेयर में रखने चाहिए.
कोई बात नहीं, इधर ही है.
हाँ इधर ही है, मतलब वैसे क्योंकि वो दिन में तो वो सन को फेस करते हैं, बट रात को जब सनलाइट नहीं होती तो वो एक दूसरे को फेस करते हैं.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, even I got to know it recently. But you should always, that's why you should always give it in pairs.
I'll take them. Don't worry.
Done, ठीक है. But I want to ask you, why did you say yes to this date?
Why not?
You tell me.
No, see, why? I'm happy to go on a date, have some good coffee, which we are still waiting for. I think will come. But yeah, why not?
So nothing
Why did
special
you
about
say
me.
yes to it?
So nothing special about me.
Everything
Just
special about
you
yeah, why
like.
not? No. मैं खुद ही बच गया. हाँ.
I said yes to this date because in my lingo, which I have never used
Okay.
अभी तक, you're the first person. You are garam chai.
गरम चाय. ये आप हर किसी को बोलती होंगी.
I swear to God, you're the first person. वरना मैं ये अपने लिए यूज करती हूँ.
गरम चाय का मतलब कैसे?
Translate करो. Hot
Hot
tea.
tea. Okay.
Because you're a hottie.
Makes sense. Makes sense. But thank you.
वेलकम. बट ये एकदम मैंने किसी को नहीं दिया ये वाला कॉम्प्लीमेंट, बिकॉज ये मैं सिर्फ अपने लिए यूज करती हूँ व्हेन आई
ये
एम फीलिंग.
मैं भी जब कॉम्प्लीमेंट मारता हूँ ना, मैं उनको हर किसी को यही बोलता हूँ कि मैंने किसी को नहीं बोला.
यार बट सच्ची में नहीं बोला. बट आप लड़की हो
तो फिर
तो आप झूठ बोल सकते हो.
तो लड़कियाँ बोलती हैं.
ट्रू, बट मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ.
ये मान लो.
मान लो, बट सच्ची में. एंड ऑल्सो देर इज समथिंग, आई डोंट नो व्हाट, बट देर इज समथिंग अबाउट दिल्ली वाइब एंड लाइक
ठीक है.
curly hair, kada wearing. There's something about that aesthetic. What kind of aesthetic do you like in a partner?
I am still honestly figuring that out. But yeah, I don't know actually. I mean, I've been with different kinds of people, but I think the one thing that really strikes out so far is उनके सबके नाम में A होता है और double A होते हैं. और वो मैं क्या ही
Specific हो जाएगा ज़्यादा.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा specific हो जाएगा. But I remember my mom was telling me that what is it like, what is wrong with you, like you there are A's and हर किसी के नाम का मतलब भी सेम ही है. Like अब नहीं, हाँ मैं आगे नहीं जाऊँगा. But I think that's one
Yeah.
thing. But now I have made it a point that कि अगली वाली A नहीं होगी.
मतलब ए से स्टार्ट नहीं होगी पर नाम में ए नहीं होगा.
हाँ वो ठीक है. A से स्टार्ट नहीं होगा.
अच्छा
Yeah.
ठीक है, मेरा ई से स्टार्ट होता है.
हाँ ठीक है.
चलेगा. एकांशी.
चलेगा.
ठीक है. बट
अगर A से स्टार्ट होता तो मैं हाई नहीं बोलता.
वही ट्रू. अच्छा तो लेटर देके आपने हाँ बोला.
हाँ.
ठीक है, डन. बट व्हाट आर योर इंस्टेंट फिजिकल टर्न ऑन्स इन अ वुमन एंड पर्सनैलिटी टर्न ऑन्स ऑल्सो, लाइक समथिंग दैट यू रियली फाइंड अट्रैक्टिव?
I think physical turn-ons are eyes and of course someone who makes an effort, is presentable and all that stuff. Because I believe I also do.
Yeah.
And apart from that, I think personality turn-ons would definitely be someone who reads, who can hold a conversation, and who has an open mind. I mean, not like I don't like people who are very politics is a big turn off.
Yeah.
In terms of like very far right or very far left. Someone who has an open mind. Yeah, I think यही है. अब इससे ज़्यादा चले जाऊँगा तो फिर तो कोई मिलेगा ही नहीं.
नहीं यार, आपकी लिस्ट हाई होनी चाहिए. वो होनी चाहिए, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि स्पेशली इन पॉलिटिक्स I can maybe still 1% consider somebody whose political opinions are not the same as mine. थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but we'll maybe try. लेकिन you know how some people are like, मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. How does it affect me?
Yeah, so same ना.
Yeah.
Like anyone who's ignorant or is too rigid.
Yeah.
It's a problem.
Yeah. कि मुझे नया कुछ करना, वैसे भी नया कुछ करना भी नहीं है,
And I
सीखना भी
think
नहीं है.
that sort of goes across all mediums of life.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
I agree. Which is why now I have started experimenting with food. Cause I never did not want to experiment with food, but my parents always made my idli, sambar, dosa, paneer tikka, chaap, dal, paneer, yahi. And now every time I go to a place, I order something that I've never had before, so that at least I know कि क्या है क्या नहीं. Because now I want to expand my horizons, because But
Yeah, even I've just started. I think the last couple of years. Before that, I was very rigid when it came to food and like very simple, butter chicken, dal, ये वो and वो repeat. But अब मैं try करूँ.
yeah, I मेरा नया वो है sushi.
Oh, I love
Love
sushi, but veg.
Same.
Yeah,
Same.
I can't have non-veg.
Same. Yeah, but I love veg sushi and the asparagus tempura one, जिसमें वो yellow love that. मैंने मेरी बहन से chopsticks चलाना वालाना सब सीखा.
मैंने भी सीखा एक साल पहले.
Same around the same time.
हाँ.
But it was quite nice. And you mentioned reading, and I used to read a lot till school, and then college completely stopped. Started working, stopped. This year I got into reading again. But मेरी reading के साथ पता नहीं क्यों horizon expand नहीं हो पाता, because मैं घूम फिर के contemporary modern romance पे आ जाती.
ठीक है. हाँ, मैंने वो कभी नहीं पढ़ा. एक आधी में भी.
Really?
Yeah, never really. I think the only book I can remember, is it romance? I'm not sure. It's a little bit of romance though. This ends with us. It ends with us. And then I saw the movie, but I'm not a fan. The movie I still like.
The movie is fine. I've heard horrible. I've not read it, but I've heard pretty bad
It's
things
very
about
cheesy.
But it also glorifies.
Not
Domestic
glorifies, but
violence.
it's a very juvenile take on domestic
Yeah,
violence and
yeah.
everything. So, but थोड़ी heavy books मुझे पसंद है. पता
जैसे
नहीं क्यों. जैसे मतलब about life, about stoicism, and all these other things. So, little bit.
Okay, we'll exchange book recommendations. I'll try,
Done.
and you try modern romance.
Done. I shall.
I won't give you 2 states. I'll give you something better than that.
Fuck, I have read one book of his years ago. Half Girlfriend बड़ी थी, I think मैंने. Now I think of it by.
Yeah.
But
2 states was still sweet. I was
Yeah.
back in school. It was okay.
Yeah.
But Half Girlfriend was very bye. Yeah. But what kind of content do you consume? Like, do you like cringe content? Do you like?
when you say content, what do you mean?
Thank you. Memes
Shows
also,
and all
reels
that
also, shows, everything.
Memes and all तो I mean वो तो चलते ही रहते हैं. तो आप consume नहीं करे तो कोई भेज देगा. But I am on a mission to sort of reduce my screen time. And
Thank you.
content, I wouldn't say cringe. Last 2-3 months so I've been really struggling because I think सबको में ADHD हो गया है. कुछ देखा नहीं जाता, कुछ पढ़ा नहीं जाता, और वो कुछ करने लगते हो तो फोन बज जाता है, तो फिर उसमें लग जाते हो. फिर next thing you realize an hour has passed.
And you're
So,
just
yeah, you're
reels.
just doom scrolling.
hmm.
So now I have finally just started watching shows again. So I'm watching Industry on HBO, and I'm still watching Monsters. I don't know, it's been a long time, but yeah, I don't like cringe content at all.
Not even the memes, Ganji Chodail type. You don't like? No? Listen, I love cringe content. I laugh the most at the weirdest shit ever. कि कोई कुछ भी कर रहा है और
I like the Pakistani Uber chats.
Yeah.
That I enjoy.
that I also enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All that I like, but और एक और पाकिस्तानी वो जो रील्स ही बनाता है, वो छोटा सा बच्चा, what is his name?
Dua I know, Dua के पापा.
नहीं एक भूल गया मैं, बड़ा अजीब सा नाम है, but मैं बताऊंगा. But yeah, probably that's cringe content. That's about it.
I love Mamda o Mamdi, मौसम्बी का जूस पिला दो. You don't know anything? How will this work then? I'll send you all reels.
Send.
लेकिन content wise, you mentioned Monsters. Even I love watching true crime, serial killer documentaries and like.
Not necessarily true crime, but
Yeah,
it's
like
one
yeah,
part.
yeah. I'm very invested. Then I go look at the real trial के clips, and then I'll go on Reddit and read सबके क्या opinions है उस trial.
Reddit I love.
You love Reddit? You're Reddit's favorite also.
Favorite? पता नहीं क्या क्या लिया हमें मेरे बारे में.
I didn't read any bad things. I did my research.
No, you missed that. I don't know, there are some very weird theories about what I do and what. Baba.
I did my research last night honestly, and it was like कि he's so hot and I saw him here.
नहीं
and
वो सब तो है.
हाँ.
But कुछ डार्क चीजें नहीं है, बड़ी डार्क है, मुझे नहीं पता क्यों और किसने क्या बोला है, बट या आई डोंट नो।
आई थिंक बहुत सारा हेयर से भी होता है कि मतलब
ऑफ कोर्स 100% none of it is true, but
या
just reading that it's funny.
फनी तो होता है, फनी तो होता है, आई एग्री, बिकॉज there are so many people that I've met and I've interviewed, and when I'm doing the Reddit research, it's like they were so rude and they were this and they were that, and when I end up meeting them, they're the sweetest people ever.
Yeah.
But फिर when I tell people, they're like, yeah, cause you're from the media, they'll be sweet to you only,
But
and
I
I'm
think
like,
it's also catching someone at the wrong place
Yeah.
at the wrong time.
yeah, I agree.
I mean, everyone is horrible at some point in
Yeah.
their life. None of us are great people, but yeah, Reddit is fun.
Reddit is fine. What are your top 3 subreddits?
Subreddit क्या होता
मतलब जैसे बॉलीवुड ब्लाइंड एंड गॉसिप इज वन, अगर
है?
आप
तो वही होगा. But I'm not a serial Reddit.
या
But once in a while I go. If something's happening, I want to check, and then I go. Or when my project comes out, then I go
Yeah.
for like a 1-2 hours. And
या
थोड़ा देखता हूँ, खुश होता हूँ, फिर उदास होता हूँ, फिर छोड़ देता हूँ. But yeah, that's what.
बट इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रेडिट, व्हेन इज क्लास सीजन 2 कमिंग?
It's starting. It's starting very soon.
यू
I
नो
think January, Feb will start.
आई वॉच्ड द एंटायर शो एंड मैंने एलीट नहीं देखा था, तो मेरे लिए वैसे भी सब कुछ नया था, एंड आई ऑब्वियसली लव्ड इट, एंड आई लव्ड इट सो मच दैट आई टोल्ड माय मॉम टू वॉच इट, एंड नो शी आल्सो लाइक्स ऑल ऑफ दिस, बट आई सेड कि जब पापा चले जाएंगे तब देखना, because then पापा ये क्या देख रहे हो, so पापा के आगे मत देखना, एंड शी आल्सो वॉच्ड इट. So when she was watching it, then I rewatched the entire thing again. And it was quite nice. I
Yeah.
also loved it.
Yeah, I haven't gone back to it yet.
Hmm.
I will go back to it now because prep करनी होगी दोबारा. But yeah, it did well. It did very well actually.
Yeah.
And I hope second season अभी हमें पता नहीं है क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा because it's not according to what the
Elite was,
original
yeah,
show
yeah.
was. So everything will change. Let's see.
Let's see. I'm pretty excited.
Same.
Quite excited. But I also I was so happy कि ना जब Call Me पे आया था, and I watched it रात को it came 12 बजे, and I watched it सुबह तक बैठ के सारा खत्म कर दिया. And अगले दिन उसमें सो गई. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Light hearted, fun, this that. I slept. I woke up to a lot of my friends posting you on new crush updated, and I was like, आप स्टोरी डालो, मैं साथ में स्टोरी डालूंगी. मैं मिल के आऊंगी, आप स्टोरी डालते हो. But I did put like a nice story, and you probably didn't see it, and you kind
Did
of
I not?
you did not, and you kind of ghosted me also. I mean, you didn't see it only, so like, yeah.
I didn't ghost you.
I mean,
I probably didn't get to know.
yeah. मैंने पहले एक और किसी डेट पे सुना है कि आप घोस्ट कर देते हो लोगों को. आपने ही बोला था.
अच्छा हाँ
तो
नहीं
तो वहाँ झूठ था या यहाँ झूठ है?
नहीं वहाँ मैं खेलता हूँ यार, ऐसे कुछ ऐसे
खेलता हूँ, इस डजंट साउंड एनी बेटर. मैं खेलता हूँ.
मजाक में बोल देता हूँ चीजें.
हाँ.
मैं गोश्त नहीं करता.
ठीक है. I'll ask you a very tough hypothetical question, और इसका आंसर मुझे भी नहीं पता. Would you rather be cheated on by the love of your life or cheat on the love of your life?
I have done both. I have not. I mean, I have cheated once, and I have also been cheated on once. At least that's what I know. But
Hopefully.
I would probably have myself get cheated on. I think that's easier.
Is it?
The guilt is easier.
Yeah.
You know, to live with that guilt of if I have done it, then it's nahi.
But won't you go in that cycle of I wasn't enough and like?
अब वो तो कहीं ना कहीं वैसे कभी ना कभी हो ही जाएगा, तो इससे खुद क्यों करना किसी और को.
हाँ.
बढ़िया.
True. Wait, I don't know. I couldn't.
You?
I don't know. I couldn't.
So I also could have said I don't know.
No, मतलब मैं genuinely I'm talking about it, like I'm thinking about it. मैं ऐसे भाग नहीं रही आंसर देने से, लेकिन मुझे सच्ची में नहीं पता कि what would hurt lesser, because I am that person who takes things very personally. So if you tell me कि oh you're really nice, but I'm not looking for something right now, instead of like I'm trying to work on it, but instead of thinking कि you might not be in a phase of in your life where you might be you want to be in a relationship, आप मुझे काफी clear करके बता रहे हो, वो सोचने की जगह मैं सोचूंगी मेरे में क्या कमी रह गई, why not me, I am this, I am that.
Yeah,
like,
मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ.
yeah.
I guess I've realized that people, especially now, like our generation, is so much complicated. It's so much more than just like the blacks and whites of life.
Yeah.
ये वो. और अगर कोई cheat करने में भी क्या है, एक चीज़ गलत होनी है और आपसे हो गई गलती. Like it's not someone that pre-plans it and all
Yeah.
that stuff, and then you don't even realize the extent of things that could go wrong. So I feel like it's very complicated. You can't judge. You can't be the judge or be judged. I guess I don't know. I'm rambling, but yeah.
What does a girl have to do to just get like आपने गीला टॉवल फिर बेड पे छोड़ दिया moment. I just want that. You know when people are like, oh, so what are you looking for in a relationship? That's what I'm looking for. कि आपने गीला टॉवल बेड पे छोड़ दिया फिर से आपको कहा था. That's what I'm looking for.
मेरे घर में दो औरतें रहती हैं, एक मेरी बहन और एक मेरी माँ. And I think out of the two, I am the biggest cleanliness freak. I have a huge OCD. I am always picking up their things and keeping them and always telling them कि यार क्या हो गया कि 2 मिनट लगते हैं कि इस चीज़ को यहाँ उठा के वहाँ टांगनी है, क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
I'm the exact opposite.
While people are thinking that guys are like that,
हाँ.
actually guys are like this also, and
Yeah.
then women can be like that.
Yeah, like yesterday only, like
What are you, OCD? Are you not?
I'm not. In fact, I'm like कि
Oh, so you
हो
want a guy
जाएगा.
who does that for you?
I don't mind if you want your. I was literally talking about this to my sister yesterday because I was packing to come here and मैंने ऐसे कुछ उठा के ऐसे सीधा डाल दिया उस अलमारी में ऐसे करके कि अरे ये नहीं लेके जाना ऐसी. And she was like, अरे तय तो लगा दो, कर दो, वो कर दो. मैंने कहा तुझे क्या है, मुझे प्रेस करना होगा बाद में मैं कर लूँगी, नहीं ऐसी पहन के जाना होगा मैं ऐसी पहनूंगी, तुझे क्या है. She was like, मैं तो चाहती हूँ आपको टाइप ए पर्सनालिटी का कोई इंसान मिले जिसको इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो इन सब चीज़ों से. तो आई वाज लाइक भाई तो अगर उसको अपनी टी शर्ट प्रेस करनी है और प्रॉब्लम है तो वो कर लेना, मैं उसको
No, I
मना
think
थोड़ी
that's
कर
fine,
रही हूँ.
as long as आँखों में ना आ रहा हो.
तो आपको यू विल सी
As
लाइक
long
इफ
as
टू आर
सामने ना
लिविंग
पड़ा हो,
टुगेदर.
then it's a problem.
बट अगर रास्ते में आ रहा है सो यू विल डू इट लाइक इफ माय क्रम्बल्ड टी
I
शर्ट इज
do it, but I also threaten her time to time that I'm going to start throwing things that I find outside.
you I feel like I'm on a date with my mother. Same she says अगर ये जूते गलता गंदा नहीं है मैं उठा के फेंक दूंगी बालकनी से, ले दे आना. सेम and I'm pretty sure she'll do it if I.
No, I don't have the balls to do it, but I really want to. So yeah.
But I wanted to ask you, are you the square root of 2? Because I get irrational around you.
Oh wow. I used to be good at math, but I don't remember shit now because also school was a long time ago. I was trying to gauge where it's going, but
Yeah.
because you get irrational.
Yeah. Rational numbers, irrational numbers. I
Do
get
you use pickup lines in life?
not really. Like I use them on my friends for masti.
Please don't.
No, I don't. I don't. Like I don't use. मतलब वो भी in person ऐसे comment
But
box में
I
मैं लिख
always
दूंगी.
think कि मतलब चलती होंगी कि नहीं चलती होंगी. I don't think so.
यार अगर मैं आपसे पहली बार मिल रही हूँ और आप बिल्कुल कंप्लीट स्ट्रेंजर हो और मैं रैंडमली आपके पास आके ऐसा कुछ बोलूँगी तो आपको ये लगेगा कि
No.
लेकिन इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू रैंडमली और मैं जान के हंस के ही बोल रही हूँ विद नो इंटेंशन कि इससे यू
Yeah,
विल
of
गेट
course.
पिक्ड अप,
हाँ,
तो
of course.
दैट्स
Then it's fine.
हाँ दैट्स व्हाट आई डू कभी कभी मस्ती में.
I've always wanted to, but कभी हिम्मत नहीं हुई.
से अ पिकअप लाइन.
मुझे आती नहीं है. मतलब I've always wanted to use a pickup line because आजकल ऐसे सवाल पूछे जाते हैं. Have you ever used a pickup line?
Do you mind holding my glass because it's a little bit cold and I want it a little bit hotter?
ठीक है ये.
कसम से ही ऑन द स्पॉट था. इरेशनल वाला पढ़ा था, वो ओरिजिनल नहीं था, ये नहीं था, गूगल वाला.
Not bad.
Thank you. But we were talking about physical personality traits, whatever, and for me, you said eyes. For me, when guys have nice hands, because if guys have, you know, those ऊपर तक कटा हुआ nail and like that nail shape for some reason, I'm just like, no,
Yeah.
sorry.
No, not even that. I feel like just well manicured
Yeah.
hands and feet. I have met some people also from the industry, some of them, and have seen and I've been like, why? बिकॉज हमारा तो ये काम है,
Yeah.
हम नहीं कर सकते तो कैसे नहीं होगा. But yeah.
Again, a fun would you rather. Would you rather have all your best friends hate your partner, or your partner hate all of your best friends?
This is a lot like home. I mean, not about me. About
Yeah,
someone
I
else.
get it. Yeah.
But I think I would. I think it's okay if my friends hate my partner. Because then, because if my partner hates my friends, then she will make sure I don't see them.
Yeah.
So at least this way, both the things
Both.
can exist in different times. So yeah.
Smart. I didn't think about it like that, but yeah, smart.
No.
Same. Okay then. But also, how important it is for your friends, apart from this, to actually like your partner. Because लड़कियों में तो कोई कितना भी अच्छा हो, हम हमेशा बोलेंगे कि अच्छा होगा अच्छा, बट बेब यू डिजर्व बेटर, यू कैन डू बेटर. तो वो लाइक इज इट विद द गाइज लाइक द सेम थिंग कि हाँ भाई तू बेटर कर सकता है वैसे?
नहीं, आई थिंक लाइक माय गाय फ्रेंड्स वो वेट करते हैं, उनको पता होता है जब तक कुछ गलत नहीं होता तब तक वो कोई बोलते. इससे एक ही है मेरा, वो बहुत बड़ा जनानी है, मैं उसे बोलता हूँ. तो वो मुझे, उसको हर चीज़ की खबर चाहिए, हर चीज़ के बारे में जानना है. सो ही इज़ द ओनली वन आई थिंक हु इज़ वेरी opinionated about this, but I think all my other friends don't really like, they wait. If they, I mean, if they like the person, then it's great, then I mean, there's no problem. If they don't, I think they wait, and then once something wrong happens, then they're like, मुझे तो पता था. And so yeah, I don't think boys में इतना ऐसा कुछ है. एक also मैं opinion नहीं लेता ऐसे, मुझे matter नहीं करता, neither side. So
But how much of their relationship do boys share with their guy friends? Because girls talk about everything, every single thing.
no, I actually hate that.
Really?
I hate people discussing. I think मेरे एक दो breakup इसी चीज़ के ऊपर हुए हैं, because I felt like I was dating not that one person,
The group
but like
chat.
the group chat, or like 20 people for
Yeah.
all. Like मुझे नहीं पता होता था मेरे साथ क्या होने वाला है, और उन्हें पहले पता होता था.
Yeah.
So I was like, you know, dude, like it's not cool. So I think that irks me a little bit. But yeah, I mean, I share a few things with my one friend. That's about it. But this is other-
Are you a soft launch person or a hard launch person?
I think I used to be a launch person.
Hard launch, सीधा.
Whatever. Not hard launch, soft only. Always soft. But अब मैं समझ गया हूँ कि भाई कभी भी नहीं. जो भी कर रहे हो प्राइवेट में करो, सब सही है, किसी को पता नहीं होना चाहिए. Because the world likes to ruin things, and I think the more people know, the more there is to ruin, and the more confusion, the more everything. But I think we live in a time, especially what I do.
Yeah.
I mean, for the other person, it also is like, if he's not saying, then he must be doing things on the side or
Yeah.
whatever. I don't know. But now that's a catch-22. But yeah, no launch for sure. Unless I'm getting married or something.
हाँ तो सीधा शादी वाला हार्ड लॉन्च.
वो तो मुझे लगता नहीं होगी ऐसे.
क्यों नहीं होगी? ऐसे मत बोलो. I live for my wedding day and I don't even know when it's going to happen.
Really?
Yeah. मेरे नोट्स ऐप में पूरा वो संगीत प्लेलिस्ट, कैप्शन वैप्शन जो मुझे लिखने हैं.
Wow.
एंड मुझे स्प्लिट्सविला बहुत पसंद है क्रिंज बेंच के लिए.
I don't get why people are so fixated on getting married.
I'm not fixated on
Very
getting.
controversial.
I'm not fixated on getting married. It'll happen when it has to happen, and I'm not like शादी 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 शादी.
But timeline नहीं है.
टाइमलाइन नहीं है, लेकिन I am just so.
क्योंकि बहुत हो गई टाइमलाइन.
हाँ.
कि नहीं तो.
नहीं,
Done.
that is wrong, because you genuinely can get married at 20 and be the happiest person ever, or you can also wait and still not be ready enough. So age I don't think वो timeline होनी
Yeah.
चाहिए, but I'm just so amused by the idea that, oh, like, you know how people say कि but are you ready to sleep with the same person for the rest of your life? And I'm like, yes, isn't that the point? Like I want to.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, if you get that
Yeah,
one
yeah,
person,
yeah.
whatever, 100%. I think it's great. Matlab, also the idea of getting married is beautiful.
Yeah.
The event is fucking grand,
Yeah.
amazing. But to find that one person
is a task. But मैं full on soft launch strategy लेके चल रही हूँ दिमाग में, and I agree with you
जैसे?
that the world ruins things. But मुझे ना, I'm Monica Geller from Friends कि oh I'm engaged, I'm getting married, this that, like I want to do that, but more in a more trendy way. So like अगर मैं ऐसे get ready with me shoot कर रही हूँ and I'll just be like babe give me my t-shirt or whatever, like oh you have that accessory and सिर्फ उसका हाथ आ रहा है and nobody really knows कि वो कौन है, and like I'm posting ऐसे hand holding pictures, but
अच्छा
वो soft हुआ ना, hard launch तो like direct कि yeah and I have like full plans कि ऐसे soft launch होगा फिर इतने टाइम में, and I have this thing कि when my शादी preps are going on तो I'll post like a picture of you sound very like don't worry,
बहुत कुछ सोच रखा है, wow.
I तो कह रही हूँ ना, I live and breathe all of this because it's my biggest fantasy to experience that love, not just the event and not just the.
No, it's very sweet. I know a friend of mine. She's probably younger than me. She's writing a diary already for the kids that she's going to have.
Yeah.
Moments or whatever. I'm like, wow. यहाँ खुद के लिए लिखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है अब क्या?
Right, but do you believe in affirmations, manifestation?
Yeah.
You do?
Fully.
You write, you visualize. How do you do it?
I used to write. I don't write.
Hmm.
Probably should get back to it. But I mean, I do believe in asking for things that I want or believing that I have.
What's one thing you manifested that's come true?
This, everything. Acting, dharma, and coming to Bombay, a lot of things. Having a certain kind of car, or having my house now, the kind of house I wanted, I hope. But a lot of things. My family. So yeah, a lot of things that have, some of course have happened just by virtue or by surprise. The others, I think कभी-कभी आप loosely बहुत चीजें बोल देते हैं and you don't even think or take it seriously or whatever. But then my mom told me that you used to say these and now it's happened.
Yeah.
So
You know what I used to play with my cousins back when I was like 5-6? Interview.
अरे वाह.
You are Preeti Zinta, I am Shah Rukh Khan, third bhaiya is Karan Johar, we are in Coffee with Karan, let's play. And उसके बाद whatever I studied was very different from what I'm doing. And this just randomly happened, like literally चलते फिरते types.
What did you study?
I studied philosophy.
अरे वाह.
I did not like it at all, but I studied it ताकि exam easy हो जाएगा. And I wanted to work कि मैं पहले दिन से काम कर रही हूँ.
Exam easy हो जाएगा.
क्योंकि तुम्हें इतना बड़ा वो लिखना है चिट्ठा कि okay, what do you think about abortion? What do you think about, like it's very opinion based mostly. So you don't really have to like.
You can have any.
Yeah. So as long as it's justified, it's fine. So that was easy, and then I got my first proper job sitting in a rickshaw. Because I was going from my college, IP college, to Kamla Nagar, and they were sharing में बिठाते क्योंकि कुछ भी हो जाए हम तो 4 सवारी बिठाए से जाएंगे ही नहीं. तो I was sitting and there's this guy who comes and sits, and that guy is on the phone and is like कि मैं क्या करूँ, उसकी शादी हो गई तो मेरे कंटेंट राइटर की, मुझे कंटेंट चाहिए, मेरे को फ़ोन आ रहा है ये वो. And I was like, oh, I have done internships and मुझे जॉब के लिए चाहिए, भाई वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर ले, मुझे दिन के कैप्शन ही तो चाहिए, ये वो ब्लॉग्स ही तो चाहिए, ज़्यादा काम भी नहीं है, मैं पैसे दे दूँगा ये वो. And I was like, okay, so ये भी सॉर्ट हो गया, ऑफिस जाना नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरा कॉलेज चल रहा है. उन्होंने फ़ोन रखा और मेरे में उतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि मैं बोलूँ लिसन हाई आई ऑल्सो राइट. तो मैंने अपना फ़ोन उठाया and I gave a fake interview in like the entire journey till Kamla Nagar. ऐसे 7 मिनट का मैंने फेक इंटरव्यू दिया, या मैंने ये पढ़ा है, मैं कंटेंट की इंटर्नशिप्स कर रही हूँ, दैट. एंड कमला नगर आ गए, मैंने कहा ओके सी यू. फोन कार्ड एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस इज इट, लेट्स सी. एंड जैसे मैंने फोन किया, लाइक हियर्स माय कार्ड, कैन यू प्लीज कॉल मी एंड लाइक लेट्स जस्ट डू इट. एंड आई वाज लाइक
नॉट बैड. वेरी स्मार्ट.
थैंक यू.
वेरी स्मार्ट.
डिड दैट. फिर कोविड हो गया तो वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम जॉब कंटिन्यू हो गई. एंड एज सून एज आई graduated, so I had more experience than anybody around me, and this started
Nice. And you've been
So-
with IDEVA since.
since 3 years. Yeah, 3.5 years. So,
Badhiya. That's quite a story.
है ना? Yeah, that's one story and just the little things like I always, and I still say this about somebody I haven't met, but I always used to tell my friends, because I'm a very big Imtiaz Ali fan, and I always used to tell my friends, whenever I'm talking about him, I was like, अरे मैं मिलके एक दिन पूछूंगी, अरे मैं एक दिन मिलके बोलूंगी कि अरे ये कैसे किया या ये क्या सोचा, and then I met him and it just happened, all of it happens organically
it.
कि
I love it.
I love it. What's
Yeah.
your favorite?
My favorite is Rockstar and then Tamasha.
For the longest time,
No, actually now Rockstar, Tamasha and Chamkila are the same.
Mine is the film that he is least appreciated for. जब Harry Met Sally.
Oh, I don't think I watched it.
I think people were very fixated on कि रिंग कहाँ मिली and अनुष्का का गुजराती accent लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगा. But I could look past all of that, and every single dialogue, thing, scene, song in the lyrics in the song, everything comes to one thing. जो ढूंढते हैं वो मिल जाता है. And that's my my most favorite thing ever, and it has Shah Rukh Khan anyway, तो मैं वैसे ही. And I start that film and I start crying क्योंकि I feel so seen कि मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं सेजल भी हूँ और मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं हैरी भी हूँ, and I am just like losing it.
मैंने देखी नहीं.
I love it. It's my favorite film. And the Tamasha I didn't get for the longest time, and my sister used to cry a lot. Tamasha देख and I was like,
हाँ वो अगर
yeah.
थोड़े टाइम में समझ आ गया.
And मुझसे छोटी है वो, तो मुझे लगता था कि यार मैं मेरे को FOMO हो रहा है. I also want to cry and feel the same things, and I didn't used to. But this year I watched and भाई साहब.
But it also depends on the life experience.
Yeah.
Because I realized like a lot of parents and a lot of older people do not like Tamasha. Because उनके लिए it's too real.
Too real.
उनको तो बोला गया है कि आपको ये आप बन ही नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
और जो I think the ones who are broken away from that, I think they like to appreciate it. But then again, it's a smaller audience and it's eventually grown.
Yeah. तो वो हुआ, and like I was like, and I told him sitting कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि my life has come to a full circle, because what is मैं दिल्ली में कैफे जा रही थी, एक उस ऑटो पे इम्तियाज अली की फोटो थी, कवर पे, and I clicked the picture and I was like, oh, I'll meet him one day, and like it's just happening, and so I met him and all of that, and for the next 7 days I was constantly crying because I was like, I can't process this, like what's happened. एक तो मुझे थोड़ी लेट हिट होती हैं चीज़ें, so like if I'm talking to you right now, I'm normal. अभी मैं एक अगले हफ्ते अगले महीने जाके सडनली अपने फ्रेंड्स को कॉल करूँगी, do you know I met Kulfat यार, do you know how is it? And they'll be like, हाँ but ये तो 1 महीने पहले हुआ था, तो मुझे थोड़ा
Sweet.
बंटी का साबुन थोड़ा स्लो है.
बंटी का क्या?
साबुन स्लो है.
Oh wow.
But also another fun hypothetical would you rather question. Would you rather go back to your most toxic ex and spend your rest of your life with them, or be single till the day you die? And being single means you can't mingle, you can't flirt, nothing.
No, I'll go back.
Really?
Toxic is fun, यार. Yeah. मैं खुद toxic हूँ.
What's the most toxic thing that you've done? Apart from cheating, was you?
Not like bad toxic. I don't think my most toxic ex was also bad toxic. It was just toxic because I think the whole relationship got stretched out for too long. And then breaking up, going back, doing वो breakup हुआ, फिर भटकने लग गए, फिर realize किया कि नहीं, फिर वापस आ गए और फिर वो सब. And I think that whole thing went on for like 2.5 years. So in that way toxic. I don't think actually I probably could be toxic, I don't know. I can't judge myself.
My toxic trait is I want कलेश.
नहीं वो नहीं.
But the मस्ती वाला कि मतलब if things are going too well, I'll tell you कि यार सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है, थोड़ा सा लड़ लेते हैं and we'll make up, like it's not
so
like.
I think that way my toxic trait would probably be if something bad happens और लड़ाई हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए या कोई fuck up कर दे. So I think I go inside a shell, and then that shell takes very long to break. So for like days or a week or two, मैं देता हूँ साइलेंट ट्रीटमेंट उस इंसान को, तो वो उनके लिए हो जाती है बहुत ही बड़ी पनिशमेंट.
I fully agree.
So I have realized it's not a good thing, and I've been working on it. But I think that's toxic.
Even if I want to give somebody the silent treatment, I can't.
Yeah.
That's too much to say.
I mean, I don't want to, but मेरे से हो ही नहीं पाता. वो स्विच ऑफ हो जाता है, फिर वो ऑन होने में बड़ा.
I am very like क्यों गुस्सा हो? अभी बात करेंगे. सोना नहीं है, बिना क्लियर करे तो सो सकते ही नहीं है, गुनाह हो जाएगा.
पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
पॉसिबल है
नहीं
यार.
पॉसिबल है.
I think it's
मैं
possible.
नहीं पॉसिबल कभी हुआ है? कभी नहीं लड़ाई एक्सटेंड हुई एक दिन से बाद.
मतलब फिर अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, हो
हाँ.
जाती है तो.
नहीं 100% पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. मैं भी my last relationship I made this a pact. I was like, listen, no matter what the problem is, we will never sleep before solving it. घंटा एक महीने बाद क्या स्लीप क्या नहीं, रातों की नींद भी उड़ रही है, अगला दिन भी खराब हो रहा है, लड़ाइयाँ भी चल रही हैं, कुछ कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, किसी को याद नहीं है बैक. सो नेवर वर्क्स.
But with the right person it should work ideally. No?
ठीक है.
मेरे को आपका एक्सप्रेशन नजर आ रहा है, सोच ले तू खुश रहे.
हाँ.
होता नहीं है बट तू डिल्यूलू है तो रह ले.
बड़ा अच्छा है, डिल्यूजन अच्छा है.
मुझे तो अच्छा
आई
लगता
थिंक
है.
शुड बी डिल्यूजनल होगी, वही खुशी तभी मिलेगी.
या shouldn't be too self aware.
या प्रॉब्लम.
Then you're hyper critical about everything
guess.
and like can't relate. I'm delulu full. But
हम बता देना कैसे होते हैं, मैं भी हो जाऊंगा.
I am self aware delulu. I am delulu about things I know can happen. मतलब मैं ये नहीं सोचूंगी कि वो मेरे पास एनीवेयर डोर आ जाए डोरेमोन का तो डिलुलू हो जाऊंगी तो आ जाए. मतलब बहुत ही मेरी एज दिख गई है. सॉरी इस एग्जांपल से.
How old are you?
Guess how old do you think I am?
College you said was 2019. So you're 24.
I'm turning 24 next week.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. But everybody here thinks I'm 18,
Oh, so
20,
you're also
21. I'm Sagittarius.
अच्छा स्कॉर्पियो अच्छा खत्म होने वाला. चलो सही है, आपको लोग ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं, हमें तो पसंद ही नहीं करते.
अच्छी बात है ना. I'll have you to keep to me only. We don't have a problem.
True. You like Scorpio?
Good only. मतलब कभी ऐसे बैड एनकाउंटर तो नहीं हुआ मेरा स्कॉर्पियोस के साथ.
जो apparently सबका हुआ है.
Really?
Every time I've been asked when your birthday is, I'm like 29th October. They're like, oh, you're Scorpio. I'm like, yeah. Oh. Why? Fuck. And I'm like, क्यों भाई? अच्छे लोग हैं हम. क्या खराब किया है? But yeah.
I'm Sagittarians की apparently वो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. EQ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. And
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है
इमोशनल क्वोशेंट.
नहीं वो मुझे पता है हॉरोस्कोप्स के बारे में.
मुझे स्कॉर्पियो का नहीं, मुझे अपना पता है खाली. और इफ आई लाइक समबडी तो फिर मैं उसका देखने लग जाती हूँ. तो वो ठीक वो चलता रहता है. बट फिलहाल तो मैं सिर्फ अपना ही देख रही हूँ. एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम दैट इट्स.
यू हैव दिस ऐप CoStar.
आई डाउनलोडेड इट, देन आई रिमूव्ड इट.
वो चेक करना बड़ा सही है
यार, क्योंकि ना मैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपनी लाइफ जीने लग गई थी.
वो दैट हैपेंस, बट आई थिंक इट्स क्वाइट
एक्यूरेट तो है. एक्यूरेट तो है.
लिटिल थिंग्स दैट इट सेज.
I'll re-download it. Do you play games on your phone or some shit like that? No. वो BGMI, PUBG नहीं खेलते आप?
नहीं.
Really?
आती नहीं.
मुझे नहीं आती थी. मेरे को लॉकडाउन में मेरे भाइयों ने
खेलता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत कभी-कभी, बट नहीं फोन पे नहीं.
मेरे भाइयों ने सिखा दी थी मुझे PUBG खेलना, और फिर मैं PUBG से
मुझे आज तक नहीं समझ आया. Not Call of Duty, not PUBG. No.
I'm now in that phase where
लूडो खेलता था मैं
लॉकडाउन में.
How lame, but yeah.
नहीं, मेरी मम्मी से ज़्यादा similarities हो रही है. But even my mom, every time I'm like, oh let's do something, we are villa, they are
लूडो
खेलते हैं. I'm like,
yeah, my mom also. My mom, my house help, us, we हम सब एक ग्रुप बना रहे थे, खेल रहे होते थे, टाइम पास क्या कर रहे थे.
Fine. Now I'm my new obsession is Roblox. Dress to impress.
No idea what that is.
It's so cute. You have to dress up according to a theme they give you, and like then everybody in the server rates you, and you rate other people's outfits. It's a.
You dress up or the character dresses up?
like my person
हाँ, okay,
will
हाँ.
like I'll make them dress up according to the theme and then everybody will rate and I'll rate their outfits. And,
I think Sims was like that. I mean,
yeah, somewhat. Yeah. But I'm now in that phase where I like playing games on my phone.
सही है.
Better than waiting for somebody's text and like
Who's texting waiting?
I'm not, which is why I'm playing games. It's better, na.
हाँ.
And that day my friend was like, "Oh, you're glowing. What's the reason?" And I'm like, "Because
Games.
nobody's son is stressing me out. That's why. The sleep I have is so peaceful. सोचना ही नहीं पड़ रहा है.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. So no Delhi boys in the picture.
It's not cause
I hear
of
they are a problem.
they are, I think all boys are problem,
That's true.
but
I wouldn't say no to that.
है ना, because I feel like कि वो खुद confused होते हैं उनको क्या चाहिए, तो फिर वो सामने वाले को confuse कर
Yeah.
देते हैं. Is what I feel.
Yeah. True.
किसी को आपने ऐसे लीड ऑन किया है क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता था
Yeah.
आपको क्या चाहिए.
मैं करा है 100%. बट अब मैं इतना ऑनेस्ट हो गया हूँ कि मैं बोल देता हूँ कि भाई नहीं है, मुझे नहीं पता मुझे क्या चाहिए, और आई एम नॉट रेडी, और आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, और व्हाटएवर. बट लोगों को ये भी नहीं पसंद अब. सो बट आई थिंक दिस इज बेटर देन अर्लियर. आई वुड कॉन्फ्रंटेशन वाज अ प्रॉब्लम वेयर आई कुड नॉट, like I feel like 1-2 times so I have been in a relationship or I've gone into a relationship because I didn't know how to say no. So the girl assumed and I was like,
Okay,
she was like, boyfriend? Okay.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. और फिर 2 महीने बाद realize किया कि भाई दम घुट रहा है, क्यों, कि you know he's sorry or can't do it. But then now I feel like rather than going through that torture, having that problem, you might as well just say that no,
Yeah.
not interested or not looking for that, whatever. So I think that's easier, and now I do that. So as of now, don't know what I'm doing. Chilling,
That's the
working, not chilling. Working.
chilling. I'm chilling. What's your
Working.
relationship with? I'm chilling.
No, but मैं chill भी नहीं. I'm working. वक्त ही नहीं है. उन्हें पता है, वक्त ही नहीं है.
बट आपने मुझे दिया वक्त उसके लिए.
नहीं ये
Thank
मतलब ऐसे तो ये सब तो हाँ.
हाँ. बट मेरे को पता है सबसे वियर्ड चीज किसी ने क्या बोली तो मुझे समझ नहीं आई. I can't do this because your niceness overwhelms me. And I was like,
I think that's an excuse. That's a nicer way of saying कि उन्हें पता नहीं उन्हें क्या चाहिए. It's just that.
yeah,
It's like, oh, it's not you, it's me. It's the same thing.
yeah.
That कि you know मुझे बोलना नहीं आ रहा तो मैं. So I guess it's that. But I mean, why would niceness overwhelm someone?
Because I think it's a reminder to them of what they can't be.
That also could be true.
So
But I also feel like a lot of times when you know that you will end up fucking up or hurting someone, and if that's a nice person, I mean most people are nice. No one should fuck around with anyone. But sometimes they are too nice. So you feel like यार नहीं यार कि इनके साथ गलत नहीं कर सकते और इनके साथ गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. So then you just पहले ही बोल देते हो कि नहीं sorry.
wow.
पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं.
आपने अभी तक टॉक्सिक ट्रेट बताया नहीं मुझे अपना.
बता तो दिया.
क्या बताया?
Silent treatment.
अच्छा दैट.
Silent treatment and I also forget things very. It takes a long time for me to forget, which is not a good thing again. So मैं ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं वो बार-बार like in every argument I will bring it back, but I remember and it plays on my head. So I think that's also toxic for some people.
हो थोड़े हो टॉक्सिक.
हाँ.
लिटिल.
हाँ वो फिर जैसे आपने बोला दिल्ली
मजा नहीं
बॉय,
आता, दिल्ली boy, हाँ.
वैसा है. वो थोड़ी बहुत तो पढ़ाई भी वहीं की है तो
हाँ.
थोड़ी टॉक्सिक ट्रेट्स तो आ ही जाती हैं दिल्ली वालों में.
So nicely said. डिम्पल वाला लड़का is like saying कि वो थोड़ी.
डिम्पल तो नहीं है मेरे.
But I don't know डिम्पल से any but nice smile you have.
थैंक यू.
Yeah.
थोड़ी
Thank you. ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिटर्न नहीं करता. एक ओरिजिनल कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं मिला है मुझे अभी तक.
मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना नहीं आता.
मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना नहीं आता. मैं ऑकवर्ड हूँ. आपको भी करूँगा. अभी तक तो किया नहीं. और क्या था? See, I can't keep it in my head. मतलब मुझे अभी लग रहा है तो मैं भी
actually don't know how to give a compliment. Like I'm learning, but I remember this is I think a couple of years back. I was in my acting school and I was talking about, you know, how I should compliment people more often and like, you know, just to make them smile or whatever. And मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ conversation कर रहा हूँ और मेरी एक और दोस्त, like she's walking by the side. So I'm talking about how compliment करना चाहिए. And, oh Rashi, you're looking great today. And then I should. And she was like, I hear the conversation. You know, if you're complimenting someone, you actually have to mean it. You can't just say it. And I was like, yeah, true. So I'm learning.
So you just don't mean your compliments. So you just don't mean your compliments.
No.
You मजा ले रहे हो it's fine.
No, I do. I just.
But मेरे में अभी तक कुछ compliment meaningful करने वाला मिला नहीं.
नहीं मैंने आपको किया तो.
You returned the compliment. You didn't compliment.
I will compliment you at the right time. Now I won't, because अब फिर ऐसे लगेगा
कि बोलने के लिए.
Just for the sake, but I will.
Okay. See, this is how make a pretty boy sit in front of me, and then he will say the most random things. मैं आपको compliment करता हूँ, and I'll be like, okay, cool.
हंसने वाली बात है.
ठीक है. Next fun hypothetical question. Would you work related? Would you rather always be the underrated actor? He deserves so much more and like, oh my god, such great skills, or the overrated actor कि ये हर जगह क्यों है and like बस करो.
I'm okay being underrated as long as काम है. Overrated नहीं.
Yeah.
तो problem है. Yeah. Overrated तो सभी हैं.
Yeah. Say off camera say. बहुत सब है.
पर चलो underrated ही है.
ठीक है. What's the most overrated film you've watched in Bollywood in recent times?
I haven't watched a film in a while, but I don't know. I mean, of course there are. I won't take names, but I choose not to watch them.
But how will you know ना if you're underrated and overrated if you don't watch them?
वो ट्रेलर से पता लग जाता है. I think ट्रेलर से पता लग जाता है कौन सी फिल्म मेरे टाइप की कौन सी नहीं है. सो काफी टाइम से मैंने फिल्में नहीं देखी.
मुस्कान झूठी है. Vibes आ रही हो मुझे.
लगा लो हिसाब.
But I miss the rom-com Bollywood era.
Same.
करो ना फिर आप कुछ.
मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. देंगे. Call me with rom-com.
Yeah, but like a full ऐसे वो you know I hate love stories वाला पूरा parody of Dharma rom-com film. Love that.
Really want to. Let's see. Even the Netflix shows. What was that? No one really likes you. No one really likes you.
Anybody like you. Nobody like you.
Nobody like you.
Nobody like you.
Nobody
हाँ
likes
ऐसा ही कुछ.
Yeah. Nobody like you. That was a sweet, nice rom-com show.
Yeah.
Uh,
आपको टॉक्सिक देखना ना कुछ. And not the toxic. थप्पड़ मार दिया toxic. The manipulation, gaslighting. I'll get under your skin and you'll soft power.
which one?
Tell Me Lies on Hotstar. मैंने इस शो को ऐसे प्रमोट किया जैसे कोई मुझे पैसे दे रहा है इस शो. मैंने like I loved it that much.
Have you watched Scenes from Marriage?
नहीं.
Watch that.
I'll watch it. You watch Tell Me Lies. I'll watch Scenes from a Marriage and next date I'll follow up.
Done.
But I was like
If I don't go to.
peak Delhi boy behavior. And I still can't like not be like okay I'm not interested. No. Because you're pretty. ये कैसा pretty privilege है? But what's your go-to move if you like somebody? What would you do? How would you approach them?
Is it like in person?
Either text person.
I think if it's on text, then I would probably ask them for a drink or a coffee or whatever. And if it's at in person, like at a club or a bar or whatever, बहुत वक्त लग जाता है यार मत चुटाने में. But just before 9 out of 10 times I do not go up to them because rejection से डर लगता है. But that one time if I do go, then before the night ends, I find my time and I just go and say that, you know, you're really pretty, whatever.
Then you give
The
compliment.
classic compliment, whatever.
Then
And
you
just
can
stand-
give compliments.
I can try. बहुत हिम्मत लगती है, because yeah, it takes balls to go up to someone in a like a random person at a club or at a bar and just talk. But once in a while I've done that.
Hmm.
I would like to do that though. I think that's more classy. Just himmat jutani. Can you?
I'm very,
You can go.
yeah,
Like up to a random person
yeah,
and just say,
yeah.
how?
Just ki, oh, I really like what you're wearing. Oh,
Oh,
and
sweet.
I really like the ear thing, the earring, and oh, I think you have really nice hands, and I can.
First compliment you'll give, nice hand.
It's very, people think it's very like non-PG, but it's just very attractive if somebody has really nice hands.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
We
like
spoke
people
about
think
that.
it's
Yeah.
very like something else I'm seeing
No,
the
no.
hands for. But it's very.
I didn't think of that.
No, I'm just saying people think कि
हाँ.
पहली बार में तुमने हाथ देख ली, but that is the first thing I notice. I notice either the eyes or the smile or the hands, and
Sweet. Huh. So yeah, either or.
yeah, interesting. Compliment नहीं मिला है मुझे अभी तक. I'm just saying, but I have a gift for you.
You got me now this.
Yeah, but I have another gift. Can I have the gift, please? This is a fun hamper for you. It
Okay.
has Botanic Hearts body wash, so you smell like. It has My Fitness peanut butter for. And it has a Villain perfume, and it
Okay.
has a Pebble watch because आपके पास वक्त कम है तो.
Oh,
ध्यान
like a
से.
smartwatch?
Yes.
Oh, sweet. I wanted a smartwatch. Nice.
But मेरी स्मार्ट वॉच से वैसे एक बीफ है,
क्यों?
क्योंकि दुपट्टा कैसे अटकेगा स्मार्ट वॉच में.
नहीं, actually मैं वो watches पहनता हूँ. मैं अभी आज भूल गया.
बट आज मैंने दुपट्टा नहीं लिया, so I forgive you. I forgive you.
But thank you. Sorry, I didn't get anything.
That you can give me a number. I am okay with that.
Oh yeah, go for it.
Can I have my phone?
I mean, I'll give it to you after this camera. But
तो कैमरा वहाँ थोड़ी है.
you're like Ori, such an
Can I
elaborate.
just say something?
Uh,
Both
phone
Ori
cover.
covers I got 3 months before he used them, and then he was spabbed, and everybody was sending me screenshots of him कि ओ तेरे पास Ori वाला cover. I was like, listen, Ori is great. I love him. But मेरे पास पहले थे. But it's fine. ठीक है, अब कोई फायदा, मतलब I don't know, कोई फायदा होगा नहीं, कोई घोस्ट.
Maybe. We'll see.
Wow, you are not even trying to give me some hope. Like रहने दे.
नहीं,
मत
मैंने
कर try.
we'll see. Hope ही है. मैंने ये थोड़ी बोला कि मैं नहीं उठाऊंगा.
I really thought I was fully healed, and I'm not going. कोई ऐसे जब तक कोई मेरे पे से बिल्कुल ही like लट्टू फ्लैट एकदम, तब तक मैं किसी को, मैं स्कूल वाले एरा में नहीं हूँ, दिल्ली स्कूल कॉलेज वाले एरा में नहीं हूँ. You made me realize I'm there only still. Make a pretty boy with curly hair, nice smile, sit in front of me, nice hands, and I will.
Yeah, not bad. Decent.
Quite nice, and I will. I'll be the melting emoji.
Sweet. Sweet.
But thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much.
We'll take a soft launch picture post this,
Okay.
and I'll also take a hard launch picture just in case you don't ghost me. But thank you so much for doing
Done.
this.
Thank you.
I had a great time.
Thank you so much. So did I.
And I'll see you soon.